In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade a Aweber plan. We'll walk through getting to your account, opening the right support area, and choosing the best way to contact Aweber so they can process the downgrade for you, all while making sure the new plan will fit your needs. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, look for the official Aweber website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection and the correct domain before you proceed. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In and log in with your account credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step so you can access your dashboard. Before you move forward, it's smart to confirm that your current subscriber count and monthly email usage fit within the limits of the plan you want to switch to. If you're right on the edge, consider cleaning up inactive subscribers or pausing high-volume automations so you won't run into limits after the downgrade. Also think about features you rely on today, because some advanced tools may not be available on a lower tier. Inside your account, look to the left sidebar and click Help. This takes you to Aweber's support resources where you'll find the available ways to get in touch and request the downgrade. Aweber handles plan changes through their support team, so this is the fastest path to a clean, confirmed update. From here, choose the contact method that works best for you. Live chat is available around the clock on Aweber's contact page, which is ideal if you want a quick, documented back and forth without waiting for email. If you prefer email, write to their support team with a clear subject and include your account identifier, your current plan, the plan you want to move to, and when you'd like the downgrade to take effect. Keep it concise and secure. There's no need to share sensitive payment details in writing. If you'd rather speak to someone, call their support line during their published business hours, typically 8 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, so you can confirm everything in one conversation. After you've reached out, watch for a confirmation message or ticket reference. Once support completes the change, double-check your account's billing and limits to ensure the new plan is active and everything still works as expected. If something looks off, reply to the same chat or email thread or call back so they can adjust it promptly. And that's it. Sign in, head to Help, and contact Aweber via chat, email, or phone to request your downgrade with confidence.